Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can water your crops with the watering can in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this menu to equip the watering can just like this, and then you can go to the crops that you want to water and click on the watering can. Okay, just like this. Yeah, it's super easy. Okay, I'm going to water this plant. And I need to water 8 crops. Oops. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can water crops with the watering can in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.